Hello friends, in this video I am going to share my latest research paper presentation in a conference organized by Indian Institute of Management, Visakhapatnam. In this paper, you will learn as to how to write a research paper, how to deliver seamless presentation and how to handle question answer session post presentation. In this paper, all graduate as well as postgraduate students including MBA, BBA, MCA, BCA, those who go for summer internship can learn as to how to prepare their SIP, I mean summer internship project report, and prepare the PowerPoint presentation and deliver it seamlessly. So enjoy my presentation. Here it starts.
A very good afternoon to you all. First of all, I'm very much thankful to you, especially the organizing committee of Indian Institute of Management, Visakhapatnam, for providing me this opportunity to present my research paper. I'm just going to share my screen to start with the presentation. And this is my PPT. Is it visible, sir? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, sir, it's visible.
So, yeah, the topic of my research is understanding GenZ perceptions and purchase intention in context to retail 4.0 in India. So, this is the table of contents, and just moving on to the introduction part. Basically, retail 4.0 started during the early 21st century as a result of the technological advancements in terms of social media, digital marketing, e-commerce, artificial intelligence, data mining, machine learning, NLP, big data analytics, IoT, blockchain technology, and metaverse, of course. Artificial intelligence is one of the key drivers of retail 4.0, which has impacted the psychological factors of changed consumers' buying behavior in a big way, especially the consumer perception and purchase intention. This is just a glimpse of how the retail 4.0 took place during early 21st century. During 2010, social media and digital marketing started taking place, and during the late 2010, AI and data analytics emerged, and during 2020, Internet of Things and blockchain revolutionized the retail sector at large, and definitely with the in the late 2020, basically metaverse and other immersive technologies started taking place. So when we talk of Gen Z consumers, they are basically the consumers who have born during 1995 till 2010. Basically, they are called the digital natives because they are shaped by the advanced technology, and their purchase behavior is highly influenced by internet or the digital environment basically. So their shopping behaviors and their interaction with brands. We must not forget that they are the pivotal marketing force with a whopping 28% population in India, as they have substantial future spending power, sophisticated technology usage, and they are highly adaptable to the immersive technologies. Just to diving a bit deeper into Gen Z's digital engagement and influence, we come to know that they very much give importance to online reviews. Basically, they are social media influencers, have very high impact on Gen Z consumers. Third one is they give more importance to online engagement rather than offline marketing or purchasing rather. And definitely AI driven marketing engage Gen Z but lacks strong influence. This is the result of literature review, and I have also done extensive review on how artificial intelligence and other immersive technologies have impacted the consumers at large, and in particular the Gen Z consumers. I have put in a few of them according to some of these literature review, which says definitely that their purchase decisions and attitude is highly influenced by AI, and basically websites which are having good quality, informativeness, enjoyment, online advertising value. These basically influence them at a very high level. Also, digital shopping experience can foster deeper emotional connections with consumers. Just moving on to just one or two more, they are highly adaptive to technology, social media, and peer recommendations put a very good impact on their purchase decision. And also, these are they are very high affinity towards e-marketing, e-commerce, as they are very highly satisfied by electronic media. Their e-loyalty is higher, which are crucial for a positive online shopping environment for Gen Z consumers. Also, I've come to know that there is very limited research done in this area, in particular comprising the Gen Z consumers in India. Rather, I have done a literature review of more than 15 to 20 countries, which are developing countries as well as developed countries. So, by comparative analysis, I have come to know the problem state that Gen Z's buying behavior is evolving as a result of our retail 4.0, which requires deeper exploration. Moreover, existing research primarily discuss the broader impact of technological advancement on consumer behavior, with limited focus on Gen Z's perception and their shopping behavior as a result of prevailing immersive technological landscape. With this literature review and understanding of the topic, I have framed the objective. These are four. Number one is to study the tech savviness of Gen Z perceptions. The second one is to understand the impact of AI familiarity with online shopping preference of Gen Z consumers. The third one is to investigate hedonic reasons of using immersive technologies like AR, VR during online shopping. The fourth one is to form clusters of Gen Z based upon their attitude and behavior towards the key drivers of retail 4.0. Just to develop the hypothesis on this basis, there are four hypotheses I have developed. Number one is age group significantly affects the perception of tech savviness. H2 is familiarity with AI correlates with preference or for online shopping. Third one, S3 is enjoyment of AR VR features is associated with choosing brands for their tech use. The H4 fourth hypothesis is that distinct generation Z shopper clusters exist based on attitude and behavior. I have done the hypothesis testing. For that, I have my research methodology includes 330 respondents from different age group of Gen Z customers. The sampling I have done is basically stratified random sampling. I have prepared a questionnaire based on Likert scale, and have included multiple choice questions also. For analysis of the data, I have done chi-square test, ordinal logistics regression, binary logistic regression, and RStudio I have used for analysis part. So, after doing the hypothesis testing, the first hypothesis, which was age group significantly affects perceptions of tech savviness, which fails to reject, and the findings suggest that within Gen Z demographic, the sub-age group do not differ significantly in their perception of technological proficiency, possibly due to the overall digital nativity of this cohort. The next one, H2, which is that familiarity with AI correlates with the preference for online shopping. The hypothesis testing indicates that simply being familiar with AI does not necessarily drive a stronger inclination towards online shopping among Gen Z consumers. The third one is, which hypothesis was, enjoyment of AR VR features is associated with choosing brands for their tech use. This is rejected. Null hypothesis is rejected, and the result supports the hypothesis and suggests that experiential and immersive technologies such as AR, VR play a meaningful role in influencing or shaping the Gen Z's consumers' brand preference. And the last one, H4, which was distinct Gen Z shopper clusters exists based on tech attitude and behavior. The hypothesis again is supported, and the hypothesis provides strong evidence of segmentation within Gen Z based on technology oriented shopping behaviors. So, with this, the result and discussion I have put in that the research provides nuanced or delicate insight into the interplay between technological factors and Gen Z shopping behavior in the evolving retail 4.0 landscape. Contrary to the expectation, age variations within Gen Z do not significantly affect tech savviness perceptions, nor does AI familiarity strongly predict online shopping preference. However, enjoyment of AR VR features does significantly influence tech oriented brand selection, indicating that immersive experiences are key differentiators for these demographics. And lastly, there are basically three distinct groups of Gen Z shoppers. Number one is tech enthusiast, number two is tech neutral, and third is tech averse. They exist based on their attitudes towards AI personalization, AR VR enjoyment, tech savviness, online shopping preference, loyalty program impact, and perceived tech driven improvements basically. So based on my research, hypothesis testing, data analysis, and results, which also lastly says that there are 40% of tech enthusiast customers within Gen Z, 35% are tech neutral, 20% are tech averse basically. So on this basis, I have concluded that the findings and results suggest that retailers should adopt segmented marketing strategies to effectively engage diverse customer profiles ranging from tech enthusiasts to tech averse individuals. Overall, the finding underscore the importance of aligning retail innovation strategies with the specific technological attitude and preferences of Gen Z customer space. With this, I would conclude my presentation. The house is now open for question. Lastly, I have added just the references. So this is all about my presentation of the topic. Thank you. Uh, it's a mixed theory basically, ma'am. Basically, when we go for this type of research, we generally use TAM or AT, but in this
Correct.
research particularly, I have included all the past theories basically, or the models you can perceive, ma'am, based on my literature review.
Okay. Okay. So it's a suggestion for you and your co-authors. Generally, whenever we are building a model, what my personal experience has been with reviewers and with submissions is that they generally emphasize that use one or two umbrella theories, or one or two umbrella is the wrong word. Sorry, one or two max to max core theory which is binding your hypothesis, not multiple. That's what my
Within Gen Z, the savviness can vary, ma'am. Our
so what
hypothesis
is
was that,
okay,
yeah,
okay, fine. So if that is the reason, if that is the logic,
that's why
then
I
what
have
are those,
emphasized that, yeah.
what are the age groups? Have you classified the age groups?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I had
So
classified
what are those age groups?
below 18, 18 to
Okay,
20, 22 to
okay,
26, and lastly 27 plus.
Okay, so
So research paper I had to Roger's theory. Yeah.
Sureshji.
Roger's theory says that there are early adapters, 34% of the consumers are early adapters within a particular segment, and rest
yes,
34% are late adapters.
correct.
So because of that bifurcation of according to the Rogers theory of innovative
Hmm.
0.5%, 14, 13.5%.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Yeah. So according to that, in line with that, Gen Z also have this clusterization. So I have definitely
Nobody has done that.
because
But why do I
yeah,
need it?
because brand engagement once a marketer basically AI empowered or AR VR technology which Lenskart and Nike Plus and all are using as of now. So they need to understand which segment to focus more, what is their segmentation and what is their targeting and how to position STP proper when STP segmentation targeting
Okay,
positioning you need to do. Definitely this segmentation strategy will work.
okay. All
Yeah.
right.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I would like to interrupt.
yes,
Yeah. Very good
yes, ma'am.
evening. It's
Very
a
good evening.
very nice that we could be here on this platform. We